morning mga master, pinagpala. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Thank you Lord. Ang pray ko ay buong taon na tayo pinagpala ni Lord.
Wow.
Dahil New Year, nagkasiyahan ang aming pamilya. Nagkantahan kami ng kauntian habang naghihintay ng countdown kagabi. Ayan nga, panoorin natin. Thank you Lord, pinagpala. Days are maybe over. It's the last time that I saw your pretty face. Now just like a baby older, and I don't think I can look at this the same. But all the minds that separate.
Nice.
It is over now, you're not dreaming of your face. I'm here without you, baby, but you still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but you still with me in my dreams. And tonight, it's only you and me. Master, Happy New Year sa inyo lahat. The miles just keep rolling, and some people left their way to say hello.
Nice.
I've heard this life is overrated, but I hope that it gets better as we go. Oh yeah. I'm here without you, baby, but you still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby, and I dream about you. ay sigawan, ang unang pinagtangkuhan. Ang galit dapat kutuda, pero mag-isa wala naman ang
Wow.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood mga master. Pinagpala. So happy New Year. God
Happy
bless
New
you.
Year!
Thank you Lord. Pinagpala.